Are you making it easy for your clients to refer people to you? Hi, I'm Debbie Hoffman, and welcome to Follow Up Friday. Well, most people don't, and what I'm hearing from people as I speak to live audiences, I'm finding out that no one's really asking for referrals. Once in a while, one person will raise their hand, or maybe two, but other than that, people are not asking for referrals. And I've asked why, and they say they think they're asking for too much. This person's already become a client, and now I'm asking for referral. Well, I have good news for you. Your clients want to give you referrals. It makes them feel really good when they found a good product or service that they had a great experience with. And when they refer you on to a client of theirs or a friend or colleague who also gets great results working with you, it makes them feel so good. It's like a win-win. But you have to know when to ask for the referrals and how to ask for the referrals. So the key thing is to be really clear with your client as to who you're looking for. So a great way you can do this, you can say, let's say you sell health products and this person had asthma and got great results with your products. You would say, who else do you know that has asthma that would love to get the results that you've had? So give like 2 or 3 examples of the kind of people you're looking for, the problem that they have, and the solution that they're looking for. So my invitation to you this week is when you call asking for referrals, be super specific with the kind of person you're looking for. And you can also say, if you hear someone sharing XYZ, that would be a good referral for me. So if you'd like to learn more about referrals and how to improve your follow-up, and you're looking to bring your business to the next level, I'd love to invite you to schedule a free 1-hour discovery session with me, Follow Up on Your Dreams discovery session. And during this one-on-one time together with my eyes on your business, we'll uncover 3 areas where potential clients are leaking through the cracks. And then if it's a good fit, we'll discuss how I can support you moving forward. So please go to www.talkwithdebbie.com, www.talkwithdebbie.com. And I look forward to following up with you next week on Follow Up Friday. Bye for now.